Alrighty folks, 1968 carbureted F250. So we did just have her on a little joyride. Engine's nice and warm. It is 30 degrees outside. It's gonna start right up. Didn't even need the choke. Throttle's right there. The heater works. It's nice and warm here in the cab. Emergency brake holds. Imagine that. The emergency brake holds on the Ford. So we got low, 1, 2, 3. So we got 4 speeds here on the transmission. The horn works. The turn signals actually self-decancel almost correctly, which is amazing. So the windshield wipers work, the spray works, and the wipers work. The gauges are actually accurate. Heat gauge, fuel gauge, and speedometer. Got a working odometer. The miles are actual, 86,120. Designed by the Pennsylvania Fish and Game Commission, so it's always been maintained. Brakes are solid, absolutely no pedal fade. All new master cylinder, new brakes, new brake cylinders on the wheels, all 4 wheels. So yeah, I mean, we got the rear view mirror. Runs like a top. We've been running it almost daily this summer. Couple times a week, maybe, something like that. Starts right up. You can drive it. It's gonna start. And then I want to show you guys the brakes here. We're kind of going uphill, so I can't show you. I want to show you how the brakes pull evenly. So yeah, not a lot of frills. That's where the 12-volt plug would have went. It did not have that from factory. No stereo from factory. So no power brakes or power steering or AC or anything like that. So if you guys watch the steering wheel, I'm going to push on the brake pedal. We're slowing down. You can see we're slowing down. I'm letting go of the steering wheel. Nice and straight. Joy to drive. Take it out for ice cream or just take it out for a drive. Got the carburetor rebuilt. Everything's been done. All the oil changed, all the fluids changed, everything like that.